here's a little update on my pumpkin seeds. They're doing very well, actually. I have two different varieties. One is Triple Threat and the other one is Jack Be Little. It's been 10 days. I planted on May 20th and today is the 30th. I'm going to plant in two of them today and then find a space to put the other ones. Well, I got 5 Jack Be Little pumpkins put in. I put the wire around them because there were a lot of squirrels and a lot of rabbits around here. In fact, I just saw a baby one yesterday. 2 on this side and 3 on the other. I'm hoping to train it up a little bit on this trellis. And then out in the yard, I'm going to put, I think I have room for 4 Triple Threat pumpkins over here. I'm not going to put them up against the fence because I don't want them growing all over the fence and bothering the neighbor. Although he probably wouldn't care, but I don't want to be a nuisance. You know how that is. And then a little update on my little brick patio. As you can see, I planted these elephant ears back, I think it was in April. I could be wrong, but they're popping up. I had to put this chicken wire around them because something popped off the one over there on the right, but it seems like it's gonna rebound and sprout a leaf. And then my Happy Returns lilies are coming in. I see a few buds. The sedums are doing great in patience. The ferns have recovered from the frost early on. And then another trio of elephant ears. One is popping up over there on the left a little bit later. And then these are First Flame, a purple and a yellow. A little bit of impatience down there. And then the impatience in the Greek pots. Doing good, doing good. and taking a little break from all the planting and the mulching I've been doing to clean out the gutters. Around here, I not only have the fall and spring cleanup for the leaves, I have another couple rounds of helicopters, maple seeds, just full, not one leaf in here. The patio covers, I have 2 of them, mostly get the helicopters. And here we are, June 9th already. I think I'm gonna stop with the pumpkins because I have 16 of them planted, and that should take over a good area of this part of the yard. I have 2 different varieties. The first one, I'm gonna try to make it climb this trellis a little bit. I don't think it'll get to the top, but with a little bit of help with some twine, maybe I can get it up pretty far. So the first one is called Jack B. Little. Those are those, you know, little decorative pumpkins that you can buy at wherever, the grocery stores. And then the second variety is called Triple Threat. That is more of your bigger pumpkins, like, you know, regular sized pumpkins, nothing huge that I know of. So I planted 8 of the Jack B. Littles and 8 of the Triple Threats. I have a lot left over. I have 24 of the Triple Threats and 2 of the Jack B. Littles. I might do a couple more over here in the yard, but the other ones I think I'm just going to give away. Anyway, I also have to make 3 more of these chicken wire little cages for them because squirrels and birds like to dig around on things around here. One of the Jack B. Little pumpkins I stuck in a 1 3/4 gallon nursery pot, so we'll see how that does.